Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add and remove widgets on OPPO A60. In order to remove a widget, for instance over here I have this Google search bar, I can press and hold my finger on the bar in order to find the option to remove the widget. So if I press remove widget, then I can confirm that I want to remove it and then it's gone. If you want to add a widget, then you can press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen. So I'm gonna press and hold over here. And now over here at the bottom we have widgets. I can press this button in order to open the list of all available widgets. So we have some clocks, we have apps that have their own widgets. And let's say I'm gonna choose the Google search bar that I just removed. I can press and hold it, and then I can drop it anywhere I want. And that's it. Then I can press done in the top right corner and the widget has been added. You can of course also move the widgets to different pages in the home screen in order to relocate them and place them somewhere else, like so. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.